What is that noise?
What peanut is?
Oh, let's see what's up. Sorry.
What peanut outside? Ice Bear, what peanut?
Huh? What is that? Oh, it needs help. I'm gonna take you in. Are you okay? Are you okay? Oh, I want to keep
Master,
you.
if I see you across that screen, I'm gonna get that.
So I'm gonna call. I'm gonna call. Trying to call. I'm gonna call some people to come help, so I can adopt this dog. I'm gonna call him Wolfie. Yeah, Wolfie. All right. Oh my gosh, is that a wolf? No, he's a dog. He's a white fur dog. No, that's a African wolf. Well, he doesn't bite me yet, cause he's unconscious. So I gotta save his life. Okay. See, I told you he likes me. Okay, I'll go get the papers. Okay, now he's yours, really. Yay!
Chubby, you don't care, do you?
Well, at least he got him an African wolf. Well, Arctic wolf. Yeah.
Man, that shouldn't go on.
Someone will turn on him. So when call back, we'll get ready again. I love you, Wolfie. Are you hungry, boy? I'll get you some turkey. Feed you some turkey. Well, Dad ain't getting no turkey, but she had some food. He had some meat from Burger King, or was that just Taco Bell? Well, you're full now.
Yeah, I'm full, little fat nigga.
I'm gonna call my friends to come over. Hey, everybody here! I got a new dog.
I'll give you a belt.
Okay. Whoa, that's cool. Oh, I wanna pet him.
Somebody iPhone right here. That police shit right there.
We're finna go now.
I know screw.
I'm scared of dogs. Just pet him. He won't attack.
You take that line?
Purr. Purr.
Matt,
Like whatever.
Hey, what
Like
she say?
pet him. Oh, he bit me. Oh.
No, she told she can come over here. Tell us why. Tell her breast smell like butt.
It's okay, boy.
That means she been over there.
Well, we gotta look for Sarah.
Matt, I'm gonna go get the belt.
Subscribe, hit the like button, guys.